Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today our subject, Business Communication, in the topic, Types of Insurance. Types of insurance include life insurance and non-life insurance. Non-life insurance include fire insurance, marine insurance, property insurance, storage insurance, jewelry insurance, etc. Insurance is a process by which losses are financially compensated by an insurance company. It is a method by which the losses of a few people are shared by many people. Insurance business depends on utmost good faith, which means that the parties to an insurance contract are always required to tell the absolute truth. Life insurance. Life insurance can be defined as a contract between an insurance policy holder and an insurance company, where the insurer promises to pay a sum of money in exchange for a premium upon the death of insured person or after a set period. For example, term life insurance, whole life insurance, universal life insurance, etc. Non-life insurance. Non-life insurance include fire insurance. It is a type of insurance coverage that is typically included in your homeowner's insurance policy and covers the cost of damages to a property due to a fire. The term fire must satisfy two conditions. There must be actual fire or ignitions. Then the fire should be accidental. The property must be damaged or burned by fire. If the property is damaged by heat or smoke without ignitions, it will not be covered under the word fire insurance. Next one, non-life insurance, marine insurance. It is a type of insurance that covers cargo losses or damage caused to ships, cargo vessels, terminals, and any transport in which goods are transferred or acquired between different points of origin and their final destination. This is known as marine insurance. Next one, property insurance. Commercial property insurance is a form of insurance that protect the property owned by your business, your building, equipment, store fixtures, and more. It pays to replace or restore stolen items and items damaged or destroyed by fires, windstorms, and other events. This is known as property insurance. Next, we move on to storage insurance. Storage unit insurance is part of the protection that a homeowners or renters insurance policy grants to your belongings no matter where they are in the world. Next one, jewelry insurance. An insurance policy providing coverage in the event of loss, theft, or damage to one's jewelry. Some jewelry in insurance give cash for a claim, while others simply pay to replace the jewelry. So, students, I hope you understand the types of insurance. Thank you.